Hi everyone, welcome to another tutorial from Techie Dialogue. In today's video, we're going to learn how to convert a JSON file into a readable format, step by step. If you're finding it hard to read JSON files, don't worry, I've got you covered. Before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button to stay updated with all our tech tips and tutorials. Alright, let's get started. Step 1. Open your browser and type code beautify JSON to text converter into the search bar. Once the results appear, click on the link to go to the website. It's a free and easy tool that we'll use for this task. Step 2. On the website, click on the File button. From here, find your JSON file on your computer and then hit Open. If you don't have the file saved, no worries. You can also copy and paste your JSON text directly into the input box on the site. Step 3. Once your file is uploaded or pasted, look at the Output section on the screen. You'll see your JSON file neatly converted into a readable text format. It's as simple as that. And that's it. Just 3 easy steps. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.